Hey, it's Vivian. So this is my Colorpop first series of reviews. I've never really done video reviews before, so I'll just jump right in. I'm trying to make it short and sweet for these just to kind of take off any stress. So this is the Colorpop No Filter Concealer. I bought it to match my No Filter setting powder and my No Filter foundation. I would say they work together, like as a trio, they work pretty well. Probably better than they would alone. But so this is the concealer. I bought it in light 10, which is kind of like a yellowy, like pale. So I'll just kind of show you what the color looks like on me. I mean, it matches very well, I would say, just having put it on there like that. And then this is what it looks like when it's blended out, and all I used was my ring finger, and I pretty much like didn't even do anything, and it blended in perfectly. So this is great for blemishes. I've got a few pimples right now. I put it over them in the morning and it stays on like all day. I didn't have any problems with coverage throughout the day with this. So I would definitely use it. I would suggest probably like T-zone or under the eyes, or blemishes like I said. But it's really good, and I will be buying it again. What I've been using lately is one I got with the Sephora. It's this Tarte concealer, and I really like this. I actually like this better, and the price is way cheaper. So if you like my content, let me know. This again was light 10 in the No Filter Concealer, and I've never done video reviews before, so like, comment, subscribe, and thank you.